Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing and coloring a big, bright, double-decker party bus. Just like the one Peppa Pig and her friends rode on in the video, the double-decker party bus. This bus is super special. It has music, balloons, snacks, and even a slide. Can you imagine riding on a bus like that? And if you love drawing and fun stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Now while we're drawing and coloring this awesome party bus, let me tell you what happened in the video. Peppa was invited to Candy Cat's birthday party, but when they got to the bottom of the hill, there was no building, just a big, colorful bus. Guess what? The bus was the party. It had music playing, friends dancing, and even a balloon machine that made balloons shaped like your favorite things. What shape would you want your balloon to be? A teddy bear? A rainbow? A cupcake? They even stopped at the playground to play tag. What fun! Let's pretend we're on the party bus with Peppa. The party on the bus goes up and down, up and down, up and down, all through the town. Can you feel the bus bounce? And now the balloon machine goes poof! What shape is your balloon? Uh-oh, Pedro feels a bit dizzy from all the excitement. So they go up to the top deck for fresh air, and guess what? There's a slide! Whee! Would you go down the party bus slide? Let's learn some cool facts while we draw and color. Did you know that real double-decker buses are used in places like London? They have 2 levels so more people can ride at once. But have you ever seen one with a balloon machine and a music player inside? Probably not. That's what makes Peppa's party bus so magical. And here's a silly fact. One real double-decker bus in China was once turned into a tiny moving restaurant. People ate noodles while the bus drove around. Isn't that funny? What would you put inside a party bus? A dance floor? A candy machine? A giant teddy bear seat? If you think a candy machine would be fun, give this video a big like. As we finish our drawing and coloring, let's remember all the fun things on Peppa's party bus. Balloons that pop out when you say your favorite thing. Music that makes everyone dance. A visit to the seaside for birthday cake made of sand. And best of all, a slide on the top deck. Peppa even saw Mr. Bull cleaning windows as they passed by. Hello, Mr. Bull. Honk honk. Every party is special when you're with friends, and a party bus makes it even more magical. So bright, so bold, so cool.
Let's draw and learn. Ooh, let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Da 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 da.
Today we drew and colored a magical party bus just like Peppa's, and we learned that birthdays can happen anywhere, even on wheels. We also learned about double-decker buses and had fun pretending we were on board. And if you love fun adventures and art, hit subscribe and like this video so you don't miss our next adventures on Let's Draw and Learn. Thanks for drawing and learning with me today. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.